Everyone talking about Varuek by PRIN. The notes in this are black pepper, labdanum, Thai oud, myrrh, animal fur accord, beeswax, cinnamon, leather, amber, Jatamansi, castoreum, bay leaf, frankincense, pine tar, patchouli, moss, teakwood, and coffee absolute. I just don't understand, and I don't think I'll ever understand how perfumer PRIN Lamros does it. Like, not only does he create such amazing fragrances, but at such a prolific pace. Like, it's for under PRIN, under Persona, under Strangers. Although I haven't tried as many Strangers perfumery stuff, and I don't tend to like those as much as these. But yeah, it's just like everything I try of his is almost better than the last, and just so unique and so compelling, and pricey. But I mean, really, really high quality ingredients. If you at all are drawn to the idea of animalic notes, this is perfect. This is one of the best animalics I've ever smelled. I don't even normally like animalic notes very much, like let alone when they're this dominant, but it's something about this is just so striking and captivating. Yeah, I just keep wanting to go back and smell it like over and over. Too animalic for my taste of what I'd want to wear personally, but I would love to be around somebody else who was wearing this. Yeah, and if I smelled someone wearing this, I could just picture it was just like, holy shit, damn, what is that? And the oud here does not feel pungent at all, which is nice that it's not like try hard and like every single note here is as, intense as it can possibly be. Like, it kind of lets the animalic notes speak for themselves, and the oud just kind of provides this like leg to stand on of some depth. Overall, just so rich, alluring, intriguing, and unique yet familiar at the same time. The image that comes to mind, not that I've been in this situation, but it sounds pretty badass. Wearing Shalimar in a feral wolf's den. Major projection and longevity too. Leans masculine, but obviously anybody should wear it if they want to. And yeah, I could see it being unisex, and again, more almost like a Shalimar style way of like the way that some of those used to be done, where there was this kind of smoky intensity sort of, and it was almost considered feminine at that time. So I think this could be unisex. Yeah, $190 for a 30 ml. I'm not going to say that's unfair because the quality and level of ingredients used in this, I mean, you can smell the difference for sure. This is not something that's going to be mistaken for a cheap fragrance. Oh, it's just so good. But yeah, I'll put a link in the description where you can get a bottle or a sample if you want to check it out. And if you haven't tried any animalics that you don't hate yet, which was me for a while, I definitely recommend this. I mean, you totally might still hate it and just be like, oh, what are you talking about? It's so intense. But to me, this is really an appealing use, yet still making them intense. So love this scent.